All right, let's talk about how you can insert a blank row after every row in Excel. So here we just have some random sales data for each month of a given year. And what we want to do is insert a blank row in between each month here. So there are two ways to do this. The first way is helpful if you're just trying to do it quickly for a couple of rows. So what you need to do is select the row, Control, select each individual row, which can be a little tedious if you have a ton of rows, but by individually clicking those, you can then right-click and hit Insert. And that's going to insert a blank row in between each of those rows that you had selected individually. Now that won't work if you just click and drag and select these and hit Insert. That's just going to add a bunch of rows above. So you need to individually select each row with Control clicking. Now that can be a little tedious if you have a ton of data. So what you can do is create a helper column. Then what you want to do, and you're going to delete this later so you don't really need to format it or anything, but in our helper column we want to label each of these rows. We can type 1 and 2 and then double click this bottom right corner of the cell, and that will drag that all the way down to label each individual row. And then what I'm going to do is copy that and paste those exact numbers right below, like so. Then what I'm going to do is select all of these headers where I have data underneath. So I'll select this blank one all the way over to helper, and I'm going to go up to the data ribbon and select filter to add a filter here. Then what we're going to want to do is go over to this helper column and hit this drop down, and then we're going to hit sort smallest to largest. And then we can unselect our filter to help that go away, and we can delete this helper column entirely. So there we have a blank row in between each month now, thanks to our helper column. And there you have it. That's how you can insert a blank row after every row that you might have data in within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.